The island kingdom of Summer has a unique form of government. Its ruler is chosen by a dragoness, who is also named Summer, and the two of them, dragon and human, become psychically linked. The title of Lord Summer normally passes to that human's heir, but now here is Teddy, the current Lord Summer, because his predecessor died without an heir. And Teddy was the only person that the dragoness Summer would accept. I'm talking about An Accident of Dragons by Cheri, Radke, which will be published later this month. As an epic fantasy, it offers a unique setup, beginning with its middle-aged protagonist. Teddy is 40 years old, whereas many fantasy stories focus on a younger protagonist. Radke said in an author Q&A that in some ways this book is about continuing the story after what appears to be a happy ending. Before the book starts, Teddy has already risen from being a nobody to being the lord of his land. But of course, there wouldn't be a story without danger to overcome. Teddy's 5-year-old daughter Zinnia has been taken hostage, and Teddy must lead an expedition to the mainland in order to get her back. This story initially appealed to me on the basis of comparisons made about it by the publisher, specifically to works by Travis Baldree and T.J. Klune, both of whom have also featured middle-aged protagonists embarking on new chapters in their lives, some willingly, others not so much. Baldree and Klune are two of my favorite authors, so seeing this comparison applied to Radke's novel really piqued my interest in reading it. An Accident of Dragons is told through Teddy's first-person narration. As a narrator, I found him to be thoughtful and reflective, filling readers in on past incidents from his life that shaped who he is today. One thing that resonated very personally for me was that Teddy uses a sophisticated vocabulary without apology. If you'll recall from an earlier video, I talked about my reaction to encountering an apology in a story I was reading. The story's narrator apologized to readers for having used large words. Well, in the past, people would make fun of me for having a large vocabulary, something that, for me, just felt like part of who I was. And as a result of having endured that ridicule, I tend to push back against any idea that people should apologize or that they should feel ashamed if they use big words. So to see sophisticated and elegant language presented so naturally and so matter-of-factly in An Accident of Dragons, it truly gladdened my heart. And as for readership, An Accident of Dragons seems intended for adults. I think that it will especially appeal to lovers of cozy fantasy, and you can look for it to be on sale April 28, 2026.